Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Recently, I did initial review of this keyboard. This is Hi75 from LEOBOG brand, and my conclusion was that this is just a perfect keyboard. Like really one of the best keyboard what I have ever seen on the market of mechanical keyboards. Recently, Hipio did review of this keyboard and confirm that this is like typing in heaven. Guys sent me this bare-bone version of this keyboard, right? And they sent me their LEOBOG Purple King switches. This is a linear pre-looped switches, and I will be using today this Celestial Ice premium keycaps from Glorious brand. And the idea of this review is to show you how to assemble bare-bone version of this keyboard and what will be the sound at the end. Let's go. So first of all, guys, what you will get if you will order the bare-bone version of this keyboard. You will have a keyboard itself. Basically, it's a aluminum metal case, right? Inside this case, you will have pre-looped switches, plate mounted, and you will have a full sandwich of PCB and foams, and it's really a lot of them. Just check this out. On the bottom side we have a transparent film, then we have a pretty solid piece of foam, then we have PCB, then we have another film, then switch pad, then another foam, then flex cut switch plate, and on top of it, of course, upper part of the aluminum case. This is a fully assembled, ready case for your mechanical keyboard. You need just to add switches, keycaps, and you're ready to go. Today we will use this LEOBOG switches. This is linear switches, and the name of the switches is Purple King. Please check them out closer. They're pre-looped, linear, they're pretty light. It's less than 40 gram force. It should be perfect for gaming, and we will test this at the end. And this keyboard is with full NKRO, or how it called, so it's perfect for gaming. And I assume this keyboard will be my main gaming keyboard for some time. Also, you have this mechanical knob with several functions like RGB, mute, all this stuff. We have south-facing RGB, right? You see it on the bottom side. And we have even this piece of foam under main stabilizer under the spacebar. Also, you will get a cable, because this is wired mechanical keyboard, and some other small stickers what you can or cannot attach to the case. It's up to you, right? To assemble the keyboard, like what you really only need to do is to basically insert switches and keycaps. So, but if you want to do some changes inside, you need just to unscrew these 6 screws on the perimeter of this case, and this is a very friendly, and obviously you need to remove this knob, but in general this is very modding friendly keyboard, as it should be for mechanical keyboards. Now I will insert the switches to this keyboard. This PCB accepts 3 or 5 pins. Today we have 5 pins mechanical switches, and in general 5 pins, as per my assumption, more stable because of 2 additional pins. Guys, I found unexpected small issue during installation of the switches. Just a small life hack for you. This is gasket mounted structure. You see these legs on all sides, right? And the switch plate is very flexible because it's a flex cut. And it's hard to insert the switches on the bottom right side and in some other places because it's just going down and you cannot fix the switch. My recommendation, if you face same issue, just unscrew the upper side of the case, insert switches, fix them in this area, for example, bottom right part or upper level. You can make sure that you fix all of them into PCB, into switch plate, because the switch plate is really flexible, right? You can check all these switches that they are inserted how it should be, and then you can put everything back. In this way you will ensure that everything securely attached to the plate. I already found 5 or 6 switches what was not inserted properly, or even more. I really recommend to insert the switches with disassembled case first, and then put everything back. Okay, now when all switches inserted into the keyboard, we are ready to start with keycaps. And as I mentioned previously, we will use some keycaps set from Glorious. This is high quality PBT keycaps, right, with ANSI layout and Legends DYE sub-printed. Let's see what we will have at the end. Okay guys, and now the moment of truth. Is it really heaven? It is heaven, guys. It sounds just amazing. Unbelievable. All these foams, layers, films inside, they all bring the sound to the life. And I really can say that it's one of the best sounding keyboard what I ever heard. And you can build it by yourself, you can do the customization and all of that. So I think it's a really good choice if you're looking for your first gaming mechanical keyboard. You will be impressed. If you want to see my initial review of first version of this keyboard what I have on my channel, please check this video. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you next time.